Here we are at week 51 of YouTube's most prolific source of persimmon-related content. That's right, the Jory Caron Persimmon Challenge. I'm Jory Caron, and I just want to throw out there once again my appreciation for all of y'all's support. The way you comment, your likes, the subscriptions are amazing. They really help me through this. But one thing that's new is someone sent me a piece of mail, which is totally in line for Christmas spirit. So I truly enjoy that gift. Even as a candy cane, not candy though. Guys, are you saying I should watch my weight or something? It's ridiculous. All I eat is fruit. Let's get into this. Oh, by the way, thank you once again to Jalen1142 for sending this to me. You're the man. It's a persimmon. Cool. Persimmon. That's awesome. I guess we just eat it then. I mean, it's not the first time I've eaten something that's been sent to me through the mail, but it definitely shouldn't be that way. I shouldn't, because I wouldn't even know if this is poisoned or not. It's not good. Oh, it's really not good.
Jory's on a mission.